1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Good morning, everybody. Just want to make sure we're in on this. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop for US 30 NAS and SPX. I'll get into details on that in just a second. Sorry, let me get this stuff done. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I think this is Thursday, right? Yep. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. About to get live on TikTok here in just a second. We're live on TikTok. Welcome everybody there. We're live on YouTube. Welcome everybody there. Great news on the internet front. They're coming out to replace the line from the street to my house at 10 o'clock today, which means we might be disrupted early, I guess, as the case may be. But I'll take it, if that means I'm actually going to get some good internet here. We're literally running at 1 megabyte uploads, and we're supposed to be at 1 gigabyte. So, whoopsie, I've been paying for 1 megabyte the entire time, and we've been running at 1 gigabyte, 1 gig, and then we've been running at 1 mega. So that's a shit. Oh well. But that was the issue. Marcus is his name. Really nice guy. Can't wait for him to come back. Good morning, Aladar. Good morning, Keith. Keith Palma. 1:30 today, huh, Keith? If you can meet me any earlier, let me know. I think I can do earlier. Although the internet's going to be taken down, so we'll see. So we should have perfect video on YouTube and TikTok after today. Don't, who knows with how that might actually work out, but that's what. Who is this and why is this shit happening? All right. Now, good morning, 48 Canuck. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Mangela. Good morning, Builder. Good morning, Gracie. Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, Crypto Fox. Good morning, Aladar. Wow, we got a lot of people over on thing. You're in the money on that buy stop on NAS if you took it and you was doing all that business. Where the hell is my internet? Yeah. All right, let's go here. So yeah, it ended up running on 1/10 of the speed. Even the guy who came out said this is crap and he doesn't know how I've been doing anything with it. It's kind of funny. You know it's bad when the employee says, you're basically getting robbed. All right, let's go over to the YouTube channel here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So in case you all need to know, this is the correct, real safety trade channel. Don't get suckered into anybody else. This is it right here. You're looking at a couple thousand, good, we might hit 3,000 in a couple months. That is nice, 3,000, wow. 619 videos. These are the current ones that we're live on, so I'm going to go ahead and pop into here. And we have 37 watching there, that's cute. We usually push up to about 100, 120 each day. D-Nice, good morning. LT, good morning. Hadassah, good morning. Georgie, good morning. Keith, again, good morning. Marlon, good morning. Martar, good morning. Game Milkman, good morning. Freddie Knight, good morning. Philip St. Clair, good morning. Martar again. Can't wait for I know, right? It's going to be better than normal. It's going to be like fantastic. Evan, good morning. Paul, good morning. Aaron, good morning. Joe, good morning. I'm free from 11 to 1 if you're. Oh, okay. I'll probably call you at 11. I just don't know if the internet will be working. We're coming out to replace that whole cable, our whole internet cable to our house. Monique, good morning. Good morning, Candle Envy. Kim, good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Thanks again for coming on. Good morning, JIS. Good morning, Sam I Am. Good morning, Rob Gruthius. Root. Good morning, Noah. All right, I think that's everybody over here. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let me check YouTube again. What's up, Applause? Good morning, I Am. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, JD 1020, 100. Good morning, David. Again, the guy who, good morning, John C. Good morning, State Fines. Yay, Golden State says I'm only 300 from passing my funded. Nice, Golden State. Congratulations. Good morning, Jeff Rose. Oh, good morning, everybody. All right. Hopefully you guys caught that bullshit move they did this morning, by the way. Cheating ass bastards taking everyone's thing. So if you did take the buy stop, this was obviously called out before it happened. You'd have been 20 pips richer. If you didn't, you would have lost 26 pips. So I don't know. Hopefully you were on the losing side of that. Let's see over here real quick. I think we're golden. Yeah, I'm restarted. Redoing. I got to type out a few things. Okay. There. All right. Where we at? Where we at? I don't even know what we're doing right now. I guess I whipped through a whole bunch of things. Buy stop it is, said Hadassah. Martar, make some money. Nope, you don't want that. Hold on. I forgot when it does that, then you guys see it cover up. Here. No, giving that higher. Here. And so you should have perfect internet, Lord willing, up to God, starting tomorrow. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Later today, maybe even tonight when I come on. I didn't come on last night. I had a long day. But tonight I should be back on tonight. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Going to pull up our scanner, and we're going to see. Did the scanner? I'm assuming the scanner did it. Yep. Buy stop. 1 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. Sell stop 1 30 minute. Really? Let's take a look at NAS 30 minute. That is not what I know. Oh, I have to do that. My bad. Hold on. NAS? Well, look at it, just rock it up. I gotta go check out my SPX. I can clearly see this going down to the blue lines. I mean, I should have called that last night for you guys, but in reality, this should be going down to the blue lines now. That's all I can tell you. This is entirely too far away. Entirely too far away. I don't even want to talk about it. This isn't even in the realm of anything. This is in the realm of holy shit. This is so far off the lines. This needs to drop desperately hard. Not even a little bit hard. It needs to drop so effing hard, it's like on another level of dropping this. It needs to drop down so far. On NAS, I would suspect a 70 pip drop, maybe more. I would suspect a 150 pip drop on NAS. Not as bad as it look like on this for US 30. Yeah, it isn't. This is crazy. I expect a 250 pip drop on US 30. I'm just saying, will it happen? I don't know. But I will not be surprised at all if you see this turn into a sell stop. At all. It has to, quite frankly. I'm really annoyed that it hasn't. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. So we'll leave this on Forex. I want to see some. Alright, now we'll pull that back up. See what I'm going to all that. This is over there. Alright, now, that's a triple down right there. Moving down, down, down. Yeah, it's going to forming a 5-minute buy stop, but I don't think so. I think it's going to form into the 15-minute. No, shit. Hold on. All right. Now, hold on 1 second. All right, does anybody have any questions before I announce the 14 symbol callouts? Anybody have any questions at all? If I lose internet, it'll be probably around 9:30, right around the open. We're supposed to be here at 10, but you know how those guys know. Let's see. We have, good morning, JD. Good morning, David. Good morning, CP Sleepy Doc. Good morning, Ranch Girl. Good morning, FX Excellent. Good morning, Angela K. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Do good this morning, Mom. Nothing to trade right now. Wait for the first sell stop to hit on the 1 minute, and then I'll call the 1 minute sell stops on NAS, SPX, and US3, whichever the other two are remaining. Right now, all you have is a 5-minute buy stop. It isn't ready yet, so I wouldn't do the 5-minute buy stop yet. You can have it ready to go, but I wouldn't enter it in yet. Good morning, Jeff Rose. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Martar. Martar made some money on gold. Congratulations. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, House of Hadassah. Good morning, Kevin. Hey, Miss Mama. Good morning, Gary Ramundo again. Good morning, T-Mark. All right, so no one has any questions. Here I go. If you're going to take that 5-minute, be leery and make sure you take your profit and get out of those. All right, here we go. I'm going to go ahead. This is complete in there. I'm going to go ahead and whip through a whole bunch of these. Starting with gold. So here we go. You guys can't see it. Well, here I can tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to move this over here. And on YouTube, eventually, I think later today, they're replacing the actual line to the house. So he said we were at 1 megabyte when we're supposed to be at 1 gigabyte. I did the speed test myself, actually, and then he was dying. He couldn't believe how forward it was. All right. Here we go. 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 1 second. My, oh my, gold. And I have no idea why one of my floating charts is not working. 1 minute gold. 1 minute gold. Was a sell stop to the blue line too right now. 1 minute gold. Let it rise up more, and then take the 1 minute sell stop on gold. Gold 15-minute buy stop on gold. 30-minute. 4 hours. It's too far away. Ridiculous. Daily sell stop. Hold on. Daily, weekly buy stop on gold. And that's about the extent of it. Not a lot happening there at all. Right. Next, oil. U.S. and U.K. oil always move the exact same, so it's no big shock there. 1 minute oil. Was a sell stop. I see nothing at the moment. Is it going down to the 5-minute? I bet you it is. Yeah. Play any 1 minute sell stop on oil down to the 5-minute blue line. And that's a ways away too. It's going to form a 30-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop on US and UK oil. Daily sell stop. US oil down to the blue line. Weekly buy stop. Weekly, monthly buy stop US oil. XRP. Come on, little XRP. 1 minute. XRP, sell stop to the blue line. XRP will then turn into a 5-minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. Then XRP will turn into a 1-hour sell stop to the 4-hour blue line. Then XRP is a daily buy stop to the blue line. Again, for the 3rd time this year I'm calling that. Then it will be a weekly sell stop. Pray that one misses. And then a monthly buy stop, XRP. I have to sell some of them. Ethereum moves just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves exactly like Ethereum. Usually Bitcoin leads. Bitcoin and Ethereum move hand in hand. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum, 5-minute. It's probably going to end up being a 15-minute. Oh, it bounced off that. Well, whatever. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop for Bitcoin. 1 hour, nothing. 4-hour, 1 hour buy stop. Daily, weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop for Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin. It says 5-minute buy stop. You can play that, but whichever, 5 or 15-minute buy stop. Bitcoin, nothing. Bitcoin, 4-hour, 1 hour, 4-hour buy. Bitcoin, daily, nothing. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. USD CAD, 1 minute. USD CAD, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line, already hit it once. USD CAD, 15-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop, USD CAD. I think it's going to arch back up and come down again. That's what it's going to do for you. 4-hour, nothing. It's too late. This is obviously either a 4-hour. Yeah, this is a 4-hour daily sell stop. Wow. You guys would have caught that shit. Look, sell stop to the blue line. You'd be up 230 pips on USD CAD. It's not finished going down yet. So wait for any 1-minute sell stops down to the daily blue line. It's a long trip, but it's going to do that. 1, 2, 3. USD CAD weekly buy stop. USD CAD weekly, monthly buy stop to the monthly blue line. USD CAD. UDCHF. USD CHF is the complete opposite, as proven out over the last week. When I called out sell stop and called and made trades, USD CHF is the complete opposite of ERUSD, which was a 4-hour buy stop. If any one of you would have listened to me on this trade, you'd be up 284 pips on ERUSD. I took 2 different dummy trades on long-term options on Nadex and made, I think one was 8,000 and one was 12,000 or something. It was like $20,000 in demo money only. So ERUSD, 1 minute. Whatever I say for ERUSD, it's the opposite for UDCHF. ERUSD, that's a buy. Hold on. Let me see that. Yeah, it's a 1 minute, 5-minute fill in the gap buy stop. 30, 1 hour, nothing. 4-hour. Too late. You're too late. ERUSD to the, yeah, it's already past the daily blue line. Yeah, by the way, I called to the daily blue line back here, and you'd be up 353 pips on ERUSD if you took that call. Just saying. Weekly, yeah, we'll just up here in the monthly, weekly buy, monthly sell stop to the blue line, ERUSD. They're letting it ride up, boy. I want to hear anyone else make these calls on the buys like I did. No one does. It's gonna go down. Whatever. 1 minute. Too late. GBP USD. Too late. Yep, too late. 1 minute, 5-minute, filling the gap. You're in the money on those buy stops on NAS anyways. I don't know what US 30 is doing. 30-minute. 30-minute buy. This must have been a 1 hour. Oh, I'm sorry. 30-minute. Hold on. No, filling the gap. It's too late. GBP USD, you're a day late and too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Weekly sell stop. Weekly, monthly sell stop. The ERUSD's blue line. GBP New Zealand. 1 minute. GBP New Zealand, 1 minute. Where's she going? 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Looks beautiful too. I'd have to pull that up on my, well here we can do that. Not quite going down yet, so be careful on this. It's going to dip a little bit more, but I'd be ready for a 1 minute buy stop on GBP New Zealand. 5 minute sell stop. 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop. I think it's still going to arch though. To the 1 hour blue line, GBP New Zealand. 4 hour daily buy stop. Weekly, nothing. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let's see what we shall see. GBP JPY. 1 minute. Nothing. It's a fill in the gap buy, but I don't want to call that. Nothing. It's already hit. That's why it already hit its 5 minute. GBP JPY. 1 minute, 5 minutes. So play any 1 minute buy stop to the 15 minute blue line. GBP JPY. 30 minute. Nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. 4 hour daily buy stop. This has been called, I don't know, whatever. SPX, let's see, baby, 1 minute SPX. Did I already tell you you're supposed to be in a 5 minute buy if you took that, you're in the money. You didn't have to. I wanted to drop down further, but whatever. Too late on that. Too late on the 5 minutes, so it did go up. I told you guys not to take it, or I'd be careful taking it, and I was wrong. You're going to make money on that trade, obviously. You can't, nothing. I can't call anything on SPX. There's no trade to be called. Unofficially, I'm going to call SPX a 1 minute sell stop. I just have to wait for it though. So 5 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah. It's nothing to call. They're nothing to call. I can't call NAS. It's too far gone. It's too far away. US 30. 1 minute. It didn't go up as much yet. Looks like it's hooking to come down. 5 minute buy. Yep, they paid off too. I can't. This is just like a rocket ship. This has been going up for fucking entire day and a half. I have no idea. This is crazy. Nothing to call. So nothing to call. I'll write it out for you, but there's nothing really to write out. Let's see. We have a US 30. Oh shit, wrong thing. Oh, I can't wait to get over to the new place. US 30. Okay, come on now. Yeah. US 30 and SPX. Nothing. Unofficially. Is that how you spell unofficially? Nope. Unofficially. Is that how you spell it? Hope it is. I'm a horrible speller, even with spell check. Unofficially. Look for 1 minute sell stop. But I mean, if we see the buy stops, I'll play them. But yeah, that's that. All right, let me move over to that close to you. All right, let's see. All right, everybody. Hopefully you can see that. I think we're there. Live trading, we're still there. Good morning, Azar. Good morning, T-Mark. Good morning, Herbert Mercer. Good morning, Mangela. Up 482 on USD and counting. Hey, Anthony, can you send me an email on those trades, please, so I can post those up and show people if that's okay? I'm in ERUSD also, says Anthony. I'm waiting for the sell stop in USD form to add to my position. Look at Anthony. Anthony, do you want to call in? Anthony, do you want to call in and talk this morning? How much time we have before market open? Where the fuck my phone go? There it is. Market open in 20 minutes, 21 minutes, 20 and a half minutes. All right. We got to find some voice to text out if you don't have to retype it all. No, yeah. This thing has to be done that way. Please revive me. Good morning, please revive me. Good morning, Anthony. Is anybody having troubles with the system or new to the system that wants to call in? Anyone having trouble with 1 minute buy, stop, fill in the gap, by the way, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it for 1 second. I honest to God believe that we are going to see one of these sucking things go down and hit their blue line, and then the rest will follow. That's what I believe. I could be wrong, but that's what I believe. Let me see. We don't want that. Let me put this here, and this here. There we go. All right. This is what we're looking at on the scanner. Look at all that green. Look at all that green. Green everywhere. Green on the 1 minute, green on the 5 minute, green on the 15 minute, green on the 30. That means they're all above the blue line all over the place. It's insane. There's no way. I refuse to believe that they're not going to go down and sometime today go down and touch their 1 minute blue lines, and these will turn red on the 1 minute. I have 1 minute buy stop, by the way, on NAS. 1 minute buy stop on NAS, fill in the gap. I refuse to believe it. I refuse to believe it. I refuse to. I'm stubborn as a horse. Really, stubborn as a mule. Stubborn as something. Fuck. Look at that shit. All right. Let's see. We're going to get rid of that one. You think that's something to type out? Now I have to retype all this shit. Oh my God, what nightmare. Let's see. I'm just saying 9 years. 10 years. It was like 9.5 or something. There's that buy stop in the fucking money again. Wow, I don't know what to tell you. This thing's just on a rocket ship up. The 3 indices. They have to come down. Maybe at open they'll drag them down for a temporary little move. But they have to come down. It's ridiculous. I don't give a fuck. I might go back to tracking how much money we make each day too. Showing you the tips that we gather and the money that we make. Good enough. What the fuck ever. All right. Let's see. 1 minute fill in the gap. I mean, it is what it is. This is insane how they're doing this. Let me see US 30 real quick. Same exact trade. Same exact buy stop trade. Wow. Look at it go up before your very eyes. I mean, I'll call them, but this is insane. Somebody's got to drop first. I just hope they don't all drop at the same time so I can get you guys in. All right. I'm not going to really watch SPX at the moment. We're going to keep our eyes on NAS and US 30 before market open. All right. Remember the whole how you have to get the system, buy it, unlearn everything you think you know about trading because it's completely wrong. Relearn the correct way of trading, the new language, which is the metaphor Bri came up with, so she gets full credit for that. It's The trading language you have to learn is the safety trade language. It takes a couple months, 2 months, depends how fast you're on that, and then you teach it. So if anybody wants to come on the live this morning, feel free. You probably can't be on long. I'm fully expecting the guys for the internet to come up, and then they're going to take out my internet probably around 9:30, 10. So hang in there if I get disconnected. That'll be why. Good morning, Dragon OGK. Let's see what. User 78, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I don't really give a fuck. Good morning, T-Mark. Good morning, Azar. Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Dragon. Learning the bad trading habits is way harder than learning the system of fortitude. Correct, Dragon. I try to tell people that, but they don't listen, so you're right. Please revive me, gotta find a way. Maybe this is how they do the great resets. Good morning. Yeah, they're going to drop the F out of things when they do it. Stevie Haynes, good morning, Kev. Good morning. Guess what happened with gold last night? Another challenge pass number 5. Oh, Stevie, congratulations. Which one did you play last night? Let me look at gold real quick and see. Anybody, if a hater wants to call in, if somebody that loves the system that wants to call in but needs help, I prefer someone that hasn't called in before because we need to get more people experiencing it. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, shoot, fire. Hold on. I don't know why my charts, when you float charts, sometimes they show your trade, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they show the things you're supposed to look at, sometimes they don't. So let me go over here to gold and look at this one too. Gold last night had to be like a 30-minute or something. Let me see. Last night. I don't see anything standing out to me. Hold on. Oh, you're talking about the 15-minute before 8:30? Yeah, there was a 15-minute beautiful buy stop. Now, last night there probably was some kind of sell here, I'm assuming. Yeah, there's sell too. There's a 1-minute sell and a 15-minute buy. I'm assuming he got that 15-minute buy as we were talking about. 5 different FTMO, funded accounts he has. Wow, that's fantastic. Congratulations, Stevie. This market's absolutely crazy. Well, we don't trade like that, but yeah, that's the old-fashioned term of looking at it. Correct. I guess I can pull up. I really don't need to. I'd rather keep this up. I'm recording this session, as you all should be. So, I'm exaggerating on the 10 years trading experience. I think I'm only like 9.5. And then the 5 years is usually really about 4.5. So yeah, there's that. All right, market open just a few minutes. I think we're all set. Everybody happy? Cheesecake Factory. Yay! Cheesecake Factory Saturday. Bri and I and my oldest daughter will be at the Cheesecake Factory Saturday. Yay! Awesome. Love that place. Thai lettuce wraps. We have all kinds of good shit there. Tuesday coming. I hope Thursday is not. That's shit happens Thursday. Ha! That's funny. Yeah. What's up, Alan? Alan K. Blue Horseshoe. If we deposit on Eagle FX, does it give us live data or is there an extra data fee? Nope. You don't have to deposit anything. You can do demo and get live feed. If you deposit $200, there is no extra charge with Eagle FX. And Blue Horseshoe, you can trade from anywhere you'd like. Ken Rose said no fee. Thank you, Ken. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Blue Horseshoe. Good morning, Ken. Yes, we are happy. Ken and my daughter worked at Cheesecake Factory. Gavin. Nice. Wow, I bet you make some good money on those yeah, expensive bills. We don't even get anything to drink. No alcohol. And boy, they make some money in tips. I tell you, I tip huge. Anyways, I tip a little bit. Demo forever. So, absolutely, Blue Horseshoe. Just install it on demo and then trade on any broker you want. That's all I do. Now, if everyone's asking me what's going to do at open, what I hope to see happen at open is this. I'm going to pull over to here. I would hope to see, I'm going to draw it out for you guys if this will happen. I hope to see to God that we can get some kind of of it's going to come up like this. We're already like this. So I want it to pull on the 5 minute. I want it to pull back to the line on the 5 minute and give us a chance to hook up. Or I hope to see 1 minute sell stops down to the blue line. Either or. I mean, yes, the system called these buy stops spectacularly. Yes, they have. I get that. Yes, we're making all kinds of money on it. I get that. Matter of fact, my buy on US 30. Let me go over to US 30. Is it even up on the charts, though? I don't know. Hold on. Let me see something. It's like my floating charts are just not acting right. They're usually, yeah, there it is. Okay. So my buy stop, hold on. So this trade I have open in this account, which I dropped it back down to, I forgot what that was, like 12,000 or something the other day. But anyway, this account right here is $2,000. This is from 712. This is from yesterday. And you can see it on my other chart over there, which I have a locked-in profit. And I'm not closing this trade down. No matter, I don't care if it goes down the blue line. I don't care if it goes past the blue line. Oh shit, we hit the blue line. Whoa. Hold on a second. But I'm keeping that trade open forever. But hold on a second. Whoa, hold on a second. Did I miss something? Ho, ho, ho. I did miss something. US 30 hit its 1 minute blue line. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. I really think, God, just please let it fall at open. Please let it fall at open. Yeah, I did not see this US 30 touch. I didn't see it. It must have pulled up on my thing. I've been running around, already been to the hardware store today, don't ask. So that is, yeah. So at any rate, I'm up on that trade I just flashed up there for you in that one account. 190 pips with a take profit of 35. At one point in time, I was up 354 pips on that trade. And I don't care. I'm going to keep this open forever until my take profit. 1 minute unofficial sell stop to the blue line, US 30. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. I don't know if it's going to do it. I'm just praying to God it does it. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. 1 minute sell stop, US 30 to the blue line. It's technically turning into a 1 minute buy stop. I mean, I can enter in that again if you want. What time is it? I'm in that buy. I'm waiting. I'm in the buy. I'm good. All right. I say to my patients, I only order basic medical tests. That's funny. Yep. The roll platter is great. Yep. Love the Cheesecake Factory. What's up, Steve? Good morning, Artie Hot C. Blue Horseshoe, I have a load 1 million on the demo account. You have to trade at least one time per month to keep it out there. Correct, Gary. That's the smallest size trade they allow. No, you can trade up. The size of the trade is 0.01. Dan Rowan, she does well. I bet she does. Steve says, let's go. All right. Does anybody that's having trouble want to call in, i.e. Ken? No, Ken's doing good these days. But does anyone want to call in that doubts the system? Any haters out there? Anybody that would like to go over the system? Any new people that want to go over? I prefer nobody's been on before, just so the simple fact we can start teaching new people how to make their money. I was so proud of Dr. Harry. He grew so much from the first time he talked to the second. It was amazing how much more confident he was and correct he was with his calls. We have market open in like 8 minutes or some shit. Yeah, 8 minutes, 7.5 minutes. Anybody wants to call in from the U.S., please let me know. We'll put you on. I don't care if you don't believe the system. I don't care if you hate it. Just come on, let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and say that 1 minute sell stop. I got to be honest with you, though. And we just got to pray for that dip, and then we can get in again on a buy. I can't call it. I'm not calling anything. This is the first market open where I don't think I've called one out of the three. I haven't called US 30, NAS, or SPX right now. Unofficially, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Officially, 1 minute buy stop. But I'm not calling it. It's not a full buy. So if the market opens, shoots up, I can't help you. I'm in a long-term buy in multiple ones, on an SPX one, on a NAS one, on a US 30 one. I'm in buys. And I'm not closing those down. Where the hell is my AnyDesk at? Oh Lord. Here comes the AnyDesk fiasco from yesterday. Let me see something. I don't even know which AnyDesk I'm logging into. Give me just a second here. I have no idea. Okay, so it's the one over there. Why do I want the one over there? Where is the... This is a whole nother... This is a whole... Oh, that's why. Hold on. Oh, fuck. What did I just do? I just lost it. I don't. I lost it. Fuck. Well, anywho. I have a trade open here and I can't find my account. This is a whole nother setup in another room right here. Another computer that I have in another room. And that's what this looks like. And there's a trade in there somewhere, but I can't find it to save my life. So I don't know, but it's in there. I think that's $6,000 or something. I don't remember. Now let me log into the other one, because that one I know I have the trade up in, but I don't think I have the trade or the chart on that one. Alright. Oh, there it is. There's the other one. Okay, so hold on. Oh, my horses. Okay, at least I found my trade. For all the good that does me. Okay. So let me move this one over here. Yeah. Give me a second, guys. I swear, when I get that office set up in the new place, lordy, it's going to be way more efficient. And I hope the guy promised me the internet's on a different line. Oh shit. 3 minutes to market open. $3 minutes to market open. I'm still horseshitting now. What do we got going on? Yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is the trade in this account on a buy stop from 6-1. So from 6-1, I'm still in this buy. And I do believe I have my lot profit in. Yeah, my profit's locked in there. 2.5 minutes to market open. So this is the trade in this other account over here, and that's up $6,000 something, $6,700. That's from 6-1. I'm still in a buy on that. I don't know why that's not showing another part of that, but that's that one. Well, let me see if I can go ahead and log in. There's literally nothing to call. I can't call anything out. Unofficially sell stop to the blue line. Officially buy stop fill in the gap. That's all I can call. There's nothing I'm calling. Like, I don't want you guys in any of these trades. So that's that one. Let's keep that there. So market open. I say it dipped down on the 1 minute and then it's going to come up on the 5. That's what I say it's going to do. Will it? Let me oh shit. I think I just did. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so that's not any desk. Let me open. I'm opening up another AnyDesk, another computer, and another one in my house. Don't ask. Market open in a minute and a half. Either don't play it, sit out of it, or lock in your profits. That's all I can tell you. All right. This trade right here on this other computer is right here. This trade right here is 3,000. But this trade I've had open since 5/15. So this trade has been open 2 months. I also had a NAS one open for a long time. But anyway, so that one. So that's all. So those are my ones that I have open. These are all long-term buys. Like one's at SPX, one's a NAS, and one's a US 30. One's like 6-7 days old. One's like 2 months old, and one's just from yesterday. So sorry, I didn't mean to bore everyone with that. But I want to put that in. Okay. So now, how do I get rid of this thing? Oh, market open, market open. Hey, it dipped down. Buy stop 1 minute. Ah, shit. Nothing I could do. So it did dip down towards this blue line. There you go. There's another buy. You're in the money on US 30 hugely. You're in the money on US 30 hugely. You're in the money on US 30 hugely. Look at it go up. I'm staying in my one. That was a 1 minute buy stop. That's all you can do. I don't know. These markets are insane. Keep taking the money and keep running with it. Keep taking that profit and keep running with it. Look what they're giving us. I don't know what to tell you. It pulled down towards the blue line. Did NAS do that too or not? I don't know. Let's see. Yes, NAS. 1 minute buy stop on NAS. Oh, this is nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. A 1 minute buy. I'll pop this in just for argument's sake. Hold on. Let me get this open. Freaky deaky 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 deaky. And then you need you can also play the 1 minute sell stop if you want. You're up $25. You can sell that if you want. Let me see what SPX is doing. Freaky deaky deaky deaky. 1 minute buy stop, filling the gap on SPX. You're up $100 on that NAS play you just did. You're up $100 on the NAS play I just did live with you. You're up $100. Take the profit and get out of the trade or lock it in. You're up over $130 on that play. You're up $160 on the play I just told you to do. You saw me make this trade live. You're up $240. You're up $260. You're up $214. Bam, baby. Learn how to trade. Learn how. I can't argue. I wanted to dip down. I tried to get you to dip down. NAS did a little better than US 30. You're up $244. You're up $257. You're up $268 on a trade I just made seconds ago. Literally seconds ago, you'd be up $250. Take the money and run, ladies and gentlemen. Learn how to trade. Learn how to trade. Precious metals finally moving. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Game Milk. U.S. oil just tapped this blue line in the 1 minute. Nice gaming, Milkman. OGG, can you update on oil? I can in a second. Super Z up 1,000 on NAS. Super Z, congratulations on NAS. Congratulations, Super Z. Fantastic. Look at that. I just called it. Now you have to move fast on the system like this. On the 1 minute, you just have to. There's nothing else you can do. Now hold on. Why am I not? Okay, this market thing has got to go. This is not acceptable. This is got to go. All right. Oh, look at that. Is that US 30? Look at US 30. Where's US 30 at? Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I can't. That's it. It's just through the roof. We're never getting the pullback. I'm going to call out that sell stop later on tonight. Look at it. Look at NAS. Look at the money you're making. $300 on NAS. In seconds. Look at the money we're making on NAS. Look at this. $313. You saw me make the trade. I'm locking this in. We're up hold on. We're up $336. Are you kidding me? I'll lock in a little bit of that. We already have another one going. Look at that. 2,400 on US 30 from yesterday. Today, 364 on NAS right before your very eyes. Learn how to trade. Buy the system. Buy the system. Look at this. Printing money. I didn't even want to make any calls, but when it pulled down like it did on NAS, I had to take that trade. I had to take that trade. Everything was there. And that's it. And that's how you can pay for the system in one fell swoop. Buy the system, people. Best $500 you can spend. Correct, Steve. Thank you, Kev. Kev, nice call. I got them. Thank you, Two Silver Siberians. I'm glad to hear that, Doc. Congratulations. Boom, says Mangela. Cliff says, morning, Gay. Good morning. Took profit in US oil, still stop 1 minute. Off the charts this candle Monday. No, a massive oil move. Right before market open. Cheaters. But we were ready. And there it is. Look at it. There's your money. There it is. Now, if someone wanted me to look at oil, hold on, if I can pull up oil for you right here. Let me move this out of the way. Hold on. All right, so does everybody see the trade made live? I swear to God, I had a guy email, you don't make trades live. The fuck I don't. What the fuck is this trade? What the fuck is the trade right here made live yesterday? $300 up today. Look at it. Before your very eyes, this trade was made. Look at it. $380. Look at it. Take the money and run, or lock it in and don't. Take the money. Get $400. $400 on a trade from this morning. $442. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Buy the system. Buy the system. Look at it. $469. Learn how to trade for once in your lives. Learn how to trade consistently where you can make profit. Look at it go up before your very eyes. How many people here saw me make that trade live? Okay, hello, everybody here. Everybody, take a look. Look at it. Look at it. That's the safetytrade.com. That's where you go to buy the system. This is what you do to learn to trade. I'll look at oil in a minute. Thank you, God. Thank you, Bri, and thank you, great system. People buy the system. Thank you, Jose, for speaking up. Thank you, Maria Toler community. What's up, Sandro? Buy the system. Every 52 of you watching on TikTok, another 70, 80, whatever it is on YouTube, buy the system. Buy it for people you love if you already have it. Teach it to somebody. You have to unlearn everything to relearn what to do. Buy the system, thesafetytrade.com. Learn how to trade for once in your lives. Look at this money. You could literally have paid for the system. Look at it. There, it's $575. I just made $532 live. Look at it. Look at it. We are up. We are up. Roughly speaking, 40 pips. 40 pips. Take the money and run. There's no need to stay in these trades. Gosh. Incredible. Incredible. Every morning, every day, every evening, I come on and give you free call-outs. Just take the money I give you, you earn from my free call-outs, and then make your trades. Then buy the system. That's all you have to do. US 30 pullback. It is. Let me see something. It was. It went down and touched again. It's another 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop in US 30. Let me check oil, though. Everyone keeps screaming oil. Hold on. What fun was that? U.S. oil, 1 minute. I don't see anything. I must have called a 1 minute to the blue line earlier this morning. I don't see it now, though. Nothing. 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute filling the gap. That's true. This isn't a massive move. Who said this is a massive move? This is nothing for oil. Forming a 30-minute buy stop. So currently, I don't even know if I can call it 5 minute. Where's it going to? 5 minute? Hold on. Yeah. Play any 1 minute oil, UK oil, US oil, sell stops to the 5 minute blue line, and then play any 30-minute 1 hour buy stops on UK and US oil. That's how you look at oil. Anyone else want to look at it? Hard part is to unlearn everything thinking, correct, Jose. Awesome. Hit the like buy. US 30 pullback. Yes, sir, Cameron. I'm not going to touch it. Massive oil move. Not so massive, Noah, but okay. Hit the like buttons. Gold unofficial buy stop 1 minute, took the profits and went off intuition. God bless system, Kev. All right, let's look at gold 1 minute and see what he's talking about there. 1 minute is here. It is a 1 minute. Not clean. This is not a clean buy stop. This is not a clean buy stop. Be careful of that trade. I'm not saying it's not accurate. It's not even a 5 minute. The first true trade we have is a 15-minute buy stop on oil. That is the first two trades, all I can call. Unofficially, it came down, hit its blue line, came down and hit its blue line. I think it's going to go down and hit its blue line again. That's what I think gold is going to do. Unofficially. If it goes up, you can play your 15-minute on gold. Just be ready. Again, if you don't like 1 minute trades, do 15-minute trades. You don't like 15-minute trades, do 1 hour trades. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever you guys like. Look at that NAS. Woo-hoo. That is a thing of beauty. I'm not touching US 30 Marty in it. Look at that. Just gorgeous. If you didn't sell your NAS position after it went up 50 pips, shame on you, and you deserve to get slaughtered. You're being a pig. That's all I'm going to tell you. Oh, you would? No, I'm not. Take your profit and get out of the trade. Wow. Thing of gorgeousness. This. Nice. Oh, it's going to come down. Who cares? I'm going to let it run. That's what I do. That's how I have trades open for 2 months. Let them run. Let them run. Let them run. Run, Forrest, run. Let's go, people. Let's tap that screen. Kevin just gave us free money. Correct, Jose. Thank you, Jose. Good morning, OG. Hope you made some of that money this morning. God bless system, Kevin. Yes, God bless the system and Bri and everyone, Keith, everyone associated with it. No card. Gold unofficial. Steve, you hit the like button. All right. Anybody on TikTok and YouTube, any haters out there, any doubters out there, any people that don't understand what's going on, please, if you're from America, shoot me over to email your phone number and we'll talk. Freaky deaky. Look at it go up. I can't even get you back in. It just keeps rocketing. Freaky deaky. We're going to go see Post Malone next month. We got these VIP tickets. I'm so excited. It actually has like a table for us at the concert. Post Malone, we saw him 3 other times. Puts on a great show. Look at this shit go. Wow. I don't know what to tell you, but you made enough money to buy the system this morning if you'd have listened to me. Look, there's the trade I entered. You guys could have did it too. There's my take profit, and that's the profit we're in. There you go. Wow. What fun. Excitement. NS, thank God. And there you go, NS. That is the correct answer this morning. Thank God. There's your money. There it is. Trade from this morning. Trade from yesterday. Trade from 6 days ago. Trade from 2 months ago. All open. Come on, guys. Look at it. It's still going up. It won't come down. NAS is like a jet rocket. It just keeps going up. I guess it really wants to get to $575. Do we hear $575? $577. You could have paid $583. You could have paid for the system on this one trade this morning I gave you for free. Buy the system. Unlearn everything you thought you know about trading is completely wrong. Then relearn the correct language of trading, which is the safety trade language. Learn what my system is. Then teach it to someone. Buy the system for everybody you know, love, and care about so they become financially independent. Buy the system for your brother so he can become financially independent. Buy the system for your sister so she can become, even if they're not talking to you, so what? If your children aren't talking to you, so what? Buy the system for them so they can learn to become financial independence and quit their jobs. Just like Peter did, just like Kim did, just like what's his face did. Oh my God, my brain's going blank. Phil did. Just quit. You can make so much money using the system. You can quit your job. I've been retired for 5-6 years. I know he said 4, but that's not true. It's way over that. It's like 5-6 years. I haven't worked in years. I helped my brother out at his clinic for a couple days a week just to help him out. But I've been retired. I've been doing what the hell I wanted for years. Look at it. All I can tell you is buy the system so you can teach it to someone. Yes, you have the system. You don't need to buy it. But if you help someone else make money using the system, you will make more money. That's it. So if you have a greedy thing about you where you say, well, I only want to do something for me, well, then do something for you by buying the system for your niece, your nephew, your uncle, your aunt, someone, your co-worker. Teach them how to use it. You'll become a better trader and you'll make money. How about that? So even if you think about being greedy, do it that way. Wow, it's insane. We've peaked out. Honest to God, unless this thing hooks back again, it's got to come down. 1 minute buy stop, US 30, by the way. Buy the system. Thank you, Stacy, for speaking up. Thank you, Jose, for speaking up without being asked. Always the answer with the system. Thank you, NS. Share it, people. Thank you, Azar. Can we get a little push down now? Is this humanly possible? Let's see if we can get a sell stop now. We haven't filled in the gap on all of these. This is insane. This in theory, well, I'm not going to go there, but this in theory should keep going up now. All right. Anybody have any questions? Anyone want to become a better trader by calling in? Email me over if you want to. Just speak up here and say, I want to call in. And then I will send you the forextrade@gmail.com link. And then I will call you. Anybody buys it to change your life. Larry Cooper, ATX, Crypto, Fox. Anybody wants to call in, become a better trader. Anybody wants to call in that's a doubter. Anyone that calls in that wants to, Miss Annette, she called in the other day, wants to learn the system. Anyone. Don't be shy. There's just a few hundred people. I think on average we have about 1,000 to 2,000 viewers on through the viewers on TikTok. And then we end up with about 800 to 1,000, so it'll be about 2,000 to 3,000 people seeing your thing, seeing the actual broadcast. So it's not that many. It's, you know, I think some get up to like 5,000 total. Most are around 2,000 to 3,000 different people watch it at different times. Regularly, we have probably about I'd say 300-400 regularly watch it, rewatch it, but maybe not catch it live, rewatch it later. YouTube tracks all that shit. They're incredible. YouTube tracks every fucking thing. So again, call in. I don't know how long we're going to have internet for it because supposedly they're coming at 10 o'clock to check everything and clean it and cut down my line and put a whole new line in. He said, it was, when you know the technician says that my internet sucks and he's embarrassed for his company. That's what he said. He said, the internet sucks. I can't believe we did this to you. It's horrible. You know, how have you been doing what you've been doing? I don't know. Just been doing it. And he's very interested in trading too, so he wants to learn the safe trade system. I told him Anyone have any questions? They can email in. Any questions? If I haven't read your question or your statement, it's because it's being blocked by TikTok or YouTube, and you have to email us in the question. So I've read everything everyone's posted. I've buy stop 1 minute US 30, by the way. Vermins like to chew on cables. Oh, vermins like to chew on cables. No, ours is hanging, so I guess they could chew on it, but he just said we have a bad one. It's crazy. Good. Here comes a pullback for NAS. Let's have NAS pull back, and then we'll get into another buy stop. God's grace in helping you and the system, Kevin. Thank you. I believe God inspired me, so we're all clear. I'm sure you all get sick of hearing it. All right, I'm going to go ahead, since no one has any questions, I'm going to go ahead and go over exactly the safety trades. The one I got into and why I got into it, just so we're all clear. Let me move this shit out of the way. All right, this is what you got. This is why I took this trade and called it out to you guys. I wanted it to go down and touch its blue line, right, or dip towards it. Well, it dipped, but it didn't dip far enough. But I saw on US 30, remember how I play them all at once? I saw on US 30 this, and I saw it dip down to its blue line strong, and it created a buy stop on US 30. But I was too late to enter into the US 30, so I quickly went over to NAS. I said, hey, what's NAS doing? And then you can see NAS just a minute later dipped down to its red line, skipping off it like a rock. It went boop, And then I put my buy stop in right above that, and pop, there it went up. And that's why I took that trade. It's a fill in the gap, it's called. We also have another thing called the sniper, which would have helped out you guys tremendously on that trade. And there it is. It's just reloading right now. The sniper is to refire off another 50-round cal. If you guys didn't know, that's what it is. So that's how I took that trade. Very straightforward trade. I was a little concerned that we could have seen that 1 minute pushback, but for whatever reasons, they're just in God mode with pushing this upward. They don't stop. They just keep pushing it upward. Keep pushing. Where's my green dot thing at? They are literally non-stop. 3,000 now. Wow, on SPX. Look at this. Hold on. Let me make sure I see something. This is the trade that's going on, and I can show you why and how I have it for so long. I went over it yesterday with you. For 2 months now, 515, I've held this trade on SPX, and we're up $3,171 on a 0.09. What is that, 400 pips, 350 pips on this trade right here you're looking at. I thought I took that one off. This one right here. This is on another computer. And I've held that trade for 2 months. Now let me see the other one. I think I left that up. No, I did not. Crap. Where did I put that? I'm not even looking. The other trade from 6 days ago, that's up a shit ton. And then I have another trade up from yesterday that's up $2,000, and I'm currently a trade up $500. There you go. What's up, Dot Boy? Welcome aboard. Stevie took back something. All right. Well, I am, for one, very happy with this morning's trading. Oh, it looks like US 30 is getting ready to do another buy stop. Hold on, let me check that real quick. US 30. 1 minute buy stop. Let's watch it for a minute and see what happens on US 30. I just want to see, because we're a little late on the entry on that one. I apologize. I just saw it looking in front of my eye. And by the way, you can clearly see this is a buy stop for US 30 at open. I did not, and I didn't want to call that. So I didn't let you guys make 50 pips on this. I did get us 50 pips on NAS, though. I'm just very, very, very cautious with my trading. That's all. Very, 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 very cautious. Let's wait 37 seconds here to see what happens. Actually, I want to wait. How much time we got left? Oh, yeah, new 5 minute candle here. Wouldn't it be nice if it pulls back down? So we can get another buy stop in for you guys. That would be really nice. I'd be really, really, really happy to help you guys out again. I can't believe the guys from Beam aren't here yet. Kind of weird. Fanatics is just when you take exactly stop at 5 or 10 points or something. Or is it different every year? Every year. What's up, J Dutta? We have take profits. It's part of the system once you're trained to know what it is. So if anybody hates the system, anyone doubts the system, anyone doesn't believe we called CPI with 30 different correct call-outs yesterday before 8:30. By the way, including this one this morning, including the early one this morning also. Yeah, we called it out hours and hours before. What are we on? 33 seconds, 31 seconds. We're about to have a new 5 minute candle. Yes, that does matter. Yes, a new 5 minute candle matters a lot. I don't get into that with you guys too much, but it does. And then in 7 minutes, we're going to have a new 15 minute and 30 minute. That's when you're going to see a movement. So within 1 to 8 minutes, you're about to see a big movement, either to the blue line or shooting back upwards again. Watch what happens. Buy stop 1 minute US 30. Buy stop 1 minute US 30. I prefer it to come back down more, but it is what it is, so we're just going to take it for what it is. You're in the money on US 30, you're welcome. You're in the money on US 30, you're welcome. You're in the money on US 30 more, you're welcome. Boo-doo, boo-doo, take your money and get the hell out of Dodge. Take your money, get the hell out of Dodge. You're in the money on US 30. Down to the minute that call was made for you, that was down to the seconds I would get out of that trade. Look at it go up. Or if you opened up 2, keep 1 open, let it run. You see it go up right before your very eyes. Learn how to trade, learn to trade, learn to trade, learn how to trade. Take that money and run. You're up a good bit of money. If you don't think putting it right where you're supposed to put it and you just gathered up 10, 15, 20 pips right now, that isn't a lot of money, you're wrong. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes yet again. Take the money and run. Look at US 30 go up. Look at NAS go up again. Take that money and run. Take that profit and run. Take that money and run. Look at that money. Look at NAS go up. Look at US 30 go up. Look at SPX. Oh my gosh. Take the money and run. Take that money. Look at SPX in the money. Look at NAS in the money. I'm holding trades from 2 months ago in the money. I'm holding trades from 6 days ago in the money. I'm holding trades from a day ago in the money. I'm holding trades from 15 minutes ago in the money. In the money. In the money. There's your money, honey, 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 honey. There's your money on US 30. There's your money on SPX. I called it within to a minute. Look at it go up before your very eyes. I told you what it was going to do. I'm in the trades with you. I told you how I used to trade stupidly like all of you that haven't gotten the system do. Buy the system. Learn how to trade. Buy the system. Learn how to make consistent profits for once in your money, in your life. Look at it. Oh, it's coming back down again. I didn't say to hold it. I keep telling you to get rid of it. Take your profit and run. Take your profit and run. Saw the use for on the 1 minute and got a few pips. System works, people. Thank you, Bracy. We can be out between noon and Tuesday. I know, right, Cliffy? That's funny, Cliffy. All right, who made money on that call? Oh, it's coming back down. I didn't say to hold it. I didn't say to hold it. I kept telling you to get the hell out. If you held it, you're being greedy. Greedy. Don't be greedy. Pigs get slaughtered. Da 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 da. One question: your chart showed the countdown timer. How do you get that? It's in the Discord. Da 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 da. Evan. Da 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 da. I think I'm finally understanding the gap fill on the 1 minute. Nice, Cameron. You will if you get the sniper system. It literally did it right before your very eyes. The sniper just worked right before your very eyes. Got 7 ticks from Ninja Trader. Nice blue horseshoe. I might be finally figuring this out, says Bracy. Bracy, you want to learn it more? Call in. Call in and you'll learn more. I stopped still going on US 30. NAS is a little different at this point. NAS is the same. You can see the difference on the sniper. Even though they're both filling the gap, one is one way and one is another. That's all I can tell you. You're back in the money on US 30. Take that money, honey, honey. This is so much fun. I'm glad you guys are making money off me. I'm glad you're stealing my signals. If you're borrowing the signals, just pay for the system. Just make enough money and pay for the system. Look at it go up before your very eyes. There's the trade. There's your money. There's your money on the safety trade system. Buy the system, damn it, please. Buy the system, buy the system, yeah, you get my singing, that's tough shit. Oh, he's annoying, he sings too much. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm helping you all make money. I sing because I'm making money. I sing because I'm making my family members make money. I sing because you all are thriving on this system. I freed many people now, dozens and dozens of people from the matrix of their 9-to-5 jobs. You know how happy that is? I've helped hundreds and hundreds of other people make money trading consistently now. There it is, thesafetytrade.com, safetytrade.com, thesafetytrade.com, safetytrade.com. There it is, thesafetytrade.com. That's where you go to buy the system. That's what you do. You learn it. The very first thing you do after buying the system is you unlearn everything you thought you knew, because support and resistance doesn't work. Fibonacci doesn't work. Naming of candles, naming of candle panels, looking to the left, blah, blah, blah. None of that shit works. What works is then you have to relearn, or let me say that again, learn the actual way to trade. The language of trading is the safetytrade.com language. I have different lingo than you guys do. Look at it. There's your money. What's the proof, Kev? Well, I don't know. Could it be that I'm up thousands of dollars in trades, hundreds of dollars just this morning, $2,487 since yesterday, $388, which was just $500, $600 a second ago. So yeah. Oh, but it's going down. You're losing my. No, I'm not. I put my stop losses, leave them there. I let these trades run. How long? Some 2 months. I'm in a trade now on SPX for 2 months. La-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. If it doesn't, why would you ever close a winning trade? Let it run forever, guys. I'll leave that SPX trade open for a freaking year if I have to. As long as I'm in the money, I don't care. Ah, what a thing of beauty. Beautiful trade. Fill in the gap buy stop. Happening with the sniper right before your very eyes. The sniper is just a little separate system. That's that pink and purple thing you see on the bottom. That's what I use to make exact entries that I'm releasing on this, Lord willing, releasing on this Monday. I'll release it Monday with the 1 minute chart snipers working. I'll give you guys the updates for free, the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes over the next several weeks. Look at it go up. Look at the money. Wow. That's over 25, 30 pips right there in US 30. You should be done trading. Look at it go up. It hasn't even gone up to the purple yet. It will. Once the purple touches, we'll be done. Look at the money, honey, honey. 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 There's your money. Boop, 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 boop. All right. CP Sleepy Dog system only costs a little. The singing is free. The singing is what drives people nuts. Gold 1 minute buy stop played out again after hitting the blue line. Nice. Let's take a look at gold. Money ticks profit on futures. 9 ticks profit on futures. Don't be shy, Noah. Tell us how much you made. Noah's making money on the future market. Let's see gold. 1 minute. Yep, 1 minute sell stop. Not a good one though. It's not clean, but it did go back down. I'm assuming this has to be. Hold on a second here. Give me 1 second. Da 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 da. 1 minute. 5 minutes. What is this? A 15-minute stop? No. 15-minute buy stop on gold. 1 minute is a sell stop unofficially to the blue line again. Let's watch gold go to the blue line. See if it does it yet again for us. Da 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 da. There's gold. It already did it once. It already did it twice. Will it do it for the third time? I don't know. Take a look, see and see. Da 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 da. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's a win anyway. Still early in my journey, says Noah. Demo course, $250. Nice. Congratulations, Noah. $250 on futures gold. Noah's kicking ass. Doesn't matter demo or not. You're still making money. Whoa, hold on. Let me see something over here. Well, I don't really want to leave gold. Hold on. Gold 1 minute that Noah called out is in the money, by the way. Good morning, Gooby. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Watch gold go down and hit its blue line. I'll be right back in just a second. Got to go get some hugs and kisses. And by the way, hold on, I'm going to go back over here. 1 minute buy, stop, fill in the gap, Nas. I haven't heard from the guy. That's crazy. Let's see. All right, I'm going to leave you guys just for a second. I'll be right back. Any questions, just ask. S&P 500. Yep, we go over that all the time. SPX is the S&P 500, by the way. Good morning, Shash. God bless you too, my friend. I'll probably just close this off around 10:30. All right, Precious is up, but not in the room here, so he is up. I got some good kisses and lovings. Unfortunately, guys, I have the most beautiful, precious soul girl in the world, the most beautiful girl in the world, and you guys don't. So. All right, what are we doing here? Anyone? Good morning, Julie. Thank you, Kevin. Money is in. Nice. You made some money this morning, Julie, off the calls. That's fantastic. I don't even know if Julie has a system yet. Good morning, Julie Gaia. OVE, S&P 500. Yeah, we trade S&P 500. Thank God. Bless God. Yep. Noah, still on your thing. Yep. Nope, you're good. All right. Does anybody want to call in? Final asking, because I'm going to have to go here shortly because we have internet people coming. Oh, you're in the money on that. Look at that. Look at US 30 go up before your very eyes. Look at it go. You're making more and more money. Wow, this is fun. What a nice morning. What a nice morning. US, hold on. Let's see Nas. Hold on, Nas. Come on, Nas. Come on. First to Nas. Buy stop, 1 minute Nas. Hold on. Is it off the 5 minute? Yo, hold on. No, it's not low enough yet. I want it to go lower, but I'm going to go ahead and put another one in, even though I shouldn't do this. Just wait right here. I want this to go lower. I don't want this to, I need this to go lower. The reason I say that, they need it to go to the 5 minute, which I can't pull up on this chart, but it needs to go lower. Let this come down. If it taps me out of my one trade, I'll take that profit. No problem whatsoever. I hope it doesn't go that low. Well, for you guys, I hope it goes lower. If I can show you, it's the 5 minute one we want it to come down to. Yeah. US 30 is also going to pop down for a second here. They're going back down to their 5 minute blue lines. Well, red lines or other color lines. How nice is that little play? Wow, all that money we made on the way up and down. Yay. Well done, Noah. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Anybody on TikTok have any questions? We came on, we saw, we conquered, kicked freaking ass, made all kinds of money. Doot. Something happening at my sliding glass door. Doot. I gotta call Keith too after this. Alright. Just waiting for a little pullback up now. It's not far enough down on either of them. Let me see US 30 real quick. Hold on. I think US 30 already did its move though. Yeah, US 30 went down and tapped and came back up. You could have made money again on US 30. Basically, US 30 is turning into our ATM 30 this morning. Alright. No one has any questions on TikTok or YouTube. I'm going to go over. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. You're in the money on the re-entry on your NAS again. Take profit and get out. You're in money again on that. You're up $50, $60, $45, $65. You're in money on US 30. You're in money on NAS. Take your money out. If you got into this trade, you can take profit out. You're either locking it in or you took. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. We're up $80. We're up $100, $65. There's your money. You can take the profit and get out of this 1 minute buy stop, or you can keep it open. That's up to you. You're in the money again on another trade this morning. Take the money and get out. Take the money and get out. Take the money and get out. Look at it. Before your very eyes, this is a buy stop. What you're seeing right here is green, 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 red, green, green. This is the NAS 1 minute chart. You literally saw the sniper move over, then move up. The pink line moved up, bop, there it went, and then you have your purchase. And whether or not this makes you a shit ton of money or not. It made you the correct money. The sniper was 100% accurate, is $150 a month. I truly believe people that are having trouble with their entrances will love the sniper. You can see it working right now. This is a normal buy stop. You don't need the sniper system. But if you needed help with the entries, knowing that this is low, blah, 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 this is hooking, that's all you needed. Normally I'd let this run more and not put my stop loss in right here, but I already got 2 trades open, so I'm good. Look at it go up before your very eyes for like the 5th time this morning. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade for once in your lives. You can learn how to trade consistently and make profits, and you really can. You don't have to try to rely on support and resistance. Have you also always the issue that your orders get pushed away? Yeah, oh yeah, I didn't have enough money in the account. I didn't have enough money in the account. It was too small. That's why I went to my other accounts. It was $200 in that account. I don't want to deal with it. I don't like building up small ones. I did it for you guys for like 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks. I like dealing with 3,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 accounts. I have much, much larger accounts I control, but that's what I like. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Bye, bye, bye. Didn't even think about it. Better your life. Just building. The Greek handler and counting the days. I can't wait for the sniper. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you, Billy, for speaking up. Thank you, Stacy, for speaking up. Where are you on Discord? We don't. Our Discord is private. You can't get in there, Joe. $173, $466 today, live trading with you. Yesterday, live, $2,500. 2 months ago, $3,000 on SPX, which is unheard of. I'm up 350 pips on SPX. It's unheard of. If you get 10 pips on SPX, that's fantastic. 50 pips, you're legendary. 100 pips, you're extra legendary. I don't even know what 300 or 400 pips is. Look at it. There's your trades. There they were called out live. There I am making the trades with you. I'm showing you my system. I give you the system for $575 per year. Look at it. There's your money. There it is. Boop, bop, bing, bop, boo. There it is. Didn't just happen on NAS. Happened on US 32. The sniper is $150 extra, but that's just because you don't need it. And if you're just having trouble with entries, that's all. It's dipping down again, but you already done it. It already completed what it needed to do. SPX, look at it. Same thing. Sniper crossed. Came back over, fill in the gap, did it once, came back down, touched, formed this little pink thing right here. You'll know what that is. There's your SPX trade in the money. Bingo, bopo, bingo, in the money-o. No, I mean place the order at price X and engage at X5 or higher. No, it only will do that if you do it, if it's moving super, super fast. If it's moving super, super fast, it'll do that. Meaning, that bullshit on CPI yesterday, sometimes they won't fulfill your orders because they're too busy scamming you. So they won't fulfill the orders at a proper price. When it's moving slow like this, easy peasy. It'll do it instantaneous. Look, tap, there it goes the one out. Probably made just a few bucks on that, $20 or something. Buy stop, 1 minute. Now, will this eventually go down? Yeah, it's got to eventually go down, but what the fuck? Oh, it does. Oh, it does. You know, I'm not even going to do this one. I'm good. I'm going to wait. Happened by me every second trade, said Medica. No, absolutely not. You see me take these trades every day. I don't have trouble with that. The only way it can be trouble for you is if it's a hard cheating CPI movement news day where they're just pushing it. They push it up 200 pips on US 30 in 10 seconds. Yeah, you won't get your order filled probably, or it'll fill late or something. But by then you should have already been in the trade. You should have already seen what was coming. Buy stop 1 minute NAS. Buy stop 1 minute NAS. You're not buying just the system, you're getting coached with it. That is true. That's funny. Who said that? Billy. That is correct. I was living in my car 6 months. I'm off the street. Billy, holy shit. Can you call in, Billy? Can you give me your phone number so I can call you? Can you email me your phone number, Billy? I want you on this show right now. Billy. This is the most inspiring. No, you're right up there with Moray. Please, Billy, can I have your phone number? Billy, please. Wow, did everyone hear that? I was living in my car 6 months ago. I'm now off the streets thanks to Coach and the system. Billy, don't be shy, please, man. Shoot me over your phone number so that we can do a little talk with you, please. Morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach. The Bach hasn't broken on this 1 minute buy, although it should. This is ridiculous, Jason. These buy stops are out of this world. I mean, I just keep making money, but I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. Billy, if you're still here, would you please email me over your phone number so I can call you? I'd like you to go live. Wow, we need to post that. Thank you, Billy, for even saying that, what you said. That is fantastic. So proud of you, Billy. Wow, I just love changing people's lives. Billy, yes, please. It sounds like an interesting story. I agree. It's just something, boy. That is something else right there. To be able to take somebody out of their car and get them into, life again. Wow. I remember Billy too. I remember when he came through. I do remember that actually. Yep. I remember him. This is what it's all about, guys. This is what it's all about, guys. Getting people off the street, out of their car, living life again. This is what the system is about. I'm glad all of you make money. I'm so glad you all make money. I'd rather help people get off the streets. I'd rather help people do good with their lives, become better with their lives. John Morey in South Africa used to make $150 a month. He can make $150. Has made multiple times $150 in a day. Crazy, life changing. Naz in front of everyone's eyes again says Gracie. Correct. Gracie M. Gracie M. That sounds like a story. There you go. Take the money. What I don't understand. And you still made money. Even on that little movement right here, you made money. Say, well, that wasn't much. That isn't anything. Yeah, it's just 6, 7, 8 pips. Professional traders make 10 in a day. That's all it is. You're right. It's not much. It's just not much. What, are you kidding me? Get out of here. It's a freaking load. All right. TikTokers, anybody have any questions? I think I saw somebody say something about something. Where did he go? Maddie, no, we don't have the problem. Joe Grunder Jr. Joe Grunder Jr. Where are you on Discord? The safety trade, but you can't get it because it's private. You have to buy the system when you get it. Joe, would you like to come on live and talk? If you would, I'll give you my email. You send me your phone number, I'll call you. Billy, please come back and give me your phone number, please. I'd love to have you on as a guest. Maybe not even today. Maybe tomorrow, the next day, whenever you got time. I'd love for you to come on. Let's do it, Billy. Billy came back. Hold on. Let me type it out. This is where you go, Billy. Right here. And this thing doesn't piss me off. It takes over my whole screen over there. I can't get it far enough over. Yeah. All right, here. Can I shrink this down? Maybe that's. I think so. Hold on. I'm going to move this over to here. And this over to this way. Huh. And now it doesn't interfere. Wow. Sometimes I'm slow. Okay, a lot of times I'm slow. Billy, please email me at the Forex Safety Trade System. That is our email, right, Purpose? Hold on. Hold your horses. I don't know if this is accurate or not. I think that's our email. Candy film gap. That's awesome, Cam. The Forex safety trade system at Gmail. Correct email. Okay. Here, Billy, if you would please. What's up, Precious? Trying to get Billy here. Billy was on the street 6 months ago, and now with the system, he's off the streets. He's living in his car.
I remember him saying.
I remember that too. Don't you remember? I remember that. Okay, what happened to my YouTube? And these guys still aren't here, so I might probably have to get off and call them. There we go. All right, now. All right, where were we? Needs to drop down further before I'll enter into this trade. Okay. Billy. Okay, so trying to write this out. Nope, I did that wrong. Billy, that's the email. Do you guys see that? Do you see that? The Forex Safety Trade System at Gmail. Billy, if you can email or your phone number, I'll call you right now if you have time. If not, we can do it another day. That's fine too. I'm just, whatever you got.
Yes.
You can't see it? Okay. So Billy, or anyone that would like to call in? Oh, you ready to go this morning, Billy? Oh, okay. Can you mind me calling it from here? Oh, it's not a U.S. number, Billy? Oh, that ain't gonna work then. Here we go. Billy, we're trying to call now. Won't go through. Huh. Can you send Billy our number and have him call us? Billy, we're going to go ahead and send you our number and have you call us. Turking squid. What's up, Nate Piano Man? What's up, Janelle Shuri? What's up, Crypto Fox? We're trying to get Billy on the phone. He was leaving out his car 6 months ago. Now he's not. Billy, we just emailed. We just emailed you our phone number, Billy. So if you call that, I will try my best to answer. Thank you. Incoming call. Wednesday. Oh, that's not it. DoorDash. AccuWeb hosting. Can you forward that one to Keith, please? Buy stop 1 minute. NAS 100. And you already should have been in this trade. It was coming off of 5 minutes. But that's all right. Just wait and see how she develops. 1 minute buy stop US 30. But again, all of these trades are so long in the tooth. They're so late. I mean, not saying they're not going to work, but come on. We've been making straight up money. It's been going up for the last 36 hours, maybe more. Crazy how much money we made, but whatever. No call in yet. And we're still good. All right, anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? We can get Billy lined up for tomorrow. That's fine, or the next week, whenever he has time. US 31 minute buy stop form, no confirmation on the 5 minute just yet. Correct. Yeah, I'm holding off. Correct, Cameron. All right, Janelle, Nate, the piano guy, do you have any questions? I just think we need to see a 1 minute. I have been saying this since 8:45 this morning, 8:31 this morning, that we need a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line to form. But maybe Maybe not. Maybe it won't. All right. So if Billy can't call us and we can't call him, we'll just email back and forth till we work that out. Anybody on TikTok have any questions for us? Anybody have any questions? I'm going to go over to YouTube and make a couple final call outs, and that's it for today. It's been a wonderful morning. Wow. Kicked ass, made live trade after live trade. Oh, I got a call in. Yeah, I don't think that's America. Is this Billy? Hold on, let me get you on this little speaker thing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can just find it. How are you? All right?
There you are. What's up, Billy?
I'm not too bad, thank you very much. Well, thanks to you, I'm doing even better now.
Nice. Can you, this is Billy live, everybody, from, he's on TikTok at the moment. Billy, what's your story, my brother? What brought you through it? Where you said 6 months ago something was happening. Can you tell us your story?
Oh, yeah. So when I went through a horrible separation, and I literally lost everything. So I actually had nothing to my name. I only had about to my name. So one day, going through TikTok, and you came across, and my trading experience has been awful previously before that anyway. So you know all the stupid courses, the support resistances, but they're not through that, and nothing came of it. So you guys came across, and the system just looked awesome, looked flawless. So I took a very big gamble, to be honest. I was only down to my last £500. So I actually gambled everything, and I invested everything I had into your system. And boy, did it pay off. I mean, even after I think 2-3 weeks of buying the system, I actually had nowhere to go to actually trade because I was living in a car. Lucky for me, one of my best friends actually was a security guard at the local library. So he actually let me in after hours just to use the Wi-Fi and trade. So it's a bit of a roller coaster ride for me, but wow, the system just paid itself within the first 2 weeks, and then it was just up. I mean, I'm not going to lie, I made some stupid trades as well. That was down to human error, not the system. I was playing with live money as well. I only had 30, 40 pounds in my account. With your guidance, I mean, my account now is sitting at about £5,000.
Yay!
You know, I've not known anything like it. I mean, I'm just overwhelmed with everything. Even now, I'm filling up, you know, my stories are so emotional. And thanks to you guys, you know, I've bought out my car. I've got myself into a 1-bedroom flat. I mean, it's not luxurious, but it's safe.
Yay!
Even better than that as well, it's just not me being safe. You know, I've got to spend on my children now, get them somewhere safe, and it's just getting better and better, and I'm not going to stop. And that's what thanks to you, Coach. Honestly, you and me have been absolutely wonderful.
Damn, Bill, you're giving me goosebumps. Wow. I hope you all can hear him.
Thank you guys. And it's not just me, Coach. I mean, from my children as well. You know, they thank you as well. You know, it just flipped my life upside down, and it's absolutely beautiful. And thank you. Thank you. I can't thank you enough.
I'm so humble, Billy. But no, again, I give praise to God and give him all the glory. And then, of course, the system he helped me develop, and of course, Bree for helped me do it, and Keith in there too. Yeah, I'm ready to Kaisa.
Oh, yeah. Of course, I mean, Terry, I know a lot of people don't share their stories. I mean, there's probably loads more out there with stories to tell, but honestly, you should be proud of what you've achieved. I mean, I know from your side, you created a system that's absolutely flawless, but you're changing lives, and you need to be aware that you and Bree, you really need to be aware that you are physically changing lives of so many people.
Damn. That is very humbling, Billy, so thank you. That's just, wow. So you said, to be clear though, I think you said your children are doing better too now? Is that what you said?
Oh yeah, but I mean, there was times I couldn't see my children for 2, 3, 4 weeks at a time, and you know, as a father, it kills you not being there for your daughters or your sons, and it's killing. I didn't know what grade they were in. I didn't know what they were doing in the classes. I don't know what they were doing in their extracurricular activities. And it's not even the other way around. It's missed their father so much. And now I've got regular contact. We go out for meals. amazing, and children are so happy. I'm just waiting for them to get old enough so I can keep them in the same system. I don't want them to go. I'll be honest, I don't want them to go to school or university just wasting their life away to pay a debt.
Amen. Amen.
Why not just learn it now? Learn it now and make it now. My son's 16. By the time he's 18, I want him to be a millionaire. I want him to have everything that his father didn't. And the only way it's possible is through this system.
Oh my God, yes, yes, sir. I truly believe that too. That's a smart decision, genius decision to do it.
Oh yeah, I'm not just saying that. I'm living proof. You prove that, not through just me, through the doctors who are retiring on the system, through the engineers you've got on who are retiring to the system. That tells you, they're on $160,000 a year jobs. If they're retiring, come on, that says it all, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The system is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I believe that's fantastic for them, but to be honest with you, your story is absolutely even better than Phil's, even better than Tommy's, Patrick Goroff's. I mean, that is the whole point on earth, is to help other people, to bring people up, and to think that the system that me and Bri are doing and helping has helped you in such a profound way. It's crazy. It's just...
Yeah, even the community that you've created on Discord, absolutely amazing. I mean, some of the guys who chuck advice on and the call outs and what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, you've created all that, and that's absolutely amazing. That's just life changing, and you really should be proud of yourself. Honestly, thank you so much.
Well, Billy, you're like my hype man. I think I'm just going to keep you on here 24/7 and just, yeah, I'm just teasing. I appreciate it.
There's no heart in there. There's no heart in there, bro.
Right.
It's coming straight from the heart.
Yeah, I can tell. No, I can tell it's coming from the heart. Absolutely, I can tell it. Yep, absolutely, Billy. So I'm going to read you some of these comments. I don't know if you see them, but it says, can barely hear Billy, so there's nothing I can really do about that, guys. I can move it over a little bit. But yeah, it's on YouTube. It's barely on TikTok. They can hear you great. It's the YouTube one, but that's changing hopefully soon. Amen, Kevin. Help others. Noah Clark says amazing story, Billy. Great job, well done. Says Philip. Beautiful story. Says Dr. Harry. You go, Billy. Says Crypto Fox. Indy. Azar says incredibly inspiring. Thank you for sharing, Billy. Which I agree. I thank you very much for sharing this. Stacio says God bless you, Billy. Pappy says it's so excited for you, Billy. I mean, you got literally was about 15, 20, 30 people all giving you props, man. They're all giving you what you deserve.
Wow.
Everyone
so
is
humble, man. So humble.
Yeah, I mean that's inspiring. You can help a lot of people with what you're saying. There's a lot of people out there. The economic times are rough. It's not easy for everybody. But if you can do it by trading,
it's not easy. It's not easy at all. You have to have faith in yourself first of all. That's the most important thing. Have faith in yourself, and you can do it. I mean, I'm not the brightest spark in the dark. My kids will say that. I mean, I'm thick as a donut. But if I can do it, honestly, anybody out there can. You just got to learn how to read the colors, learn a few lines, where the price is to reach. It's simple as that. My 14-year-old sits with me, and she spots me. Because, Daddy, what about this one? I'm like, I know. I thought, yeah, this one, and I go in, and the kids are spotting them, and I'm thinking about the system.
That boy, you want to talk about something, Billy, when you're telling me that you're teaching, so you're going to teach your children, so one 14-year-old, and I think a 12, whatever you said, you teach them for the next 3 or 4 years. When they turn 18, they will be millionaires by the time they're 21, if it takes that long. If someone learns the system for 3 to 4 years...
I mean, as a father of 5 young children, these kids these days pick up things so quickly.
That's true. That's
you
true.
have absolutely no idea. Honestly, and they are picking it up. I mean, I went through with them, this is how Daddy trades. Look, I'm looking at the colors. Once the color changes, boom, look for the setup. And they run it. 3 years, you're talking 3 months ago. Honestly, they'll pick it up so quick.
Oh, I agree. But they can't really trade legally yet, was my point. So what I'm saying is, I'm trying to move my phone over so they can hear you better. Is that if they can, practice it for that long period of time, when they're ready to to go live, it's going to be like breathing to them. They won't even have to think about it. They'll just make the right trade instinctively, more or less, kind of like I do at this point. You know, where I just got it. You know, just
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly.
Oh my
And the
God.
way you work out, the amazing thing about the system as well is the way you work out the three symbols, our main ones, the NARS, the US30, and the SPX, the way these three babies work together. How you work that out is beyond me. Oh, wow. That's all I say. And that in itself is amazing. If you can't find it on one, you'll find it on the other. If you can't find it on the other, you'll find it on the other one. And then vice versa. You do that every single day, 2-3 times a day. Sometimes I'll have my kids sitting at the desk and I'll tell them, as soon as that changes colour, give Daddy a shout.
I like it. Billy, quick question from FX Excellence. Says, Billy, can you explain what you did step by step and when and what you trade? So
So
how did you bought the system? Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, Coach, the network's gone a little bit bad. Can you just repeat that again, sorry?
Yes, FX Excellent One had a question for you. He said, Billy, can you explain what you did step by step and when and what you trade? So I guess he's meaning
So step by step.
the safety trade system is step by step.
Yeah, trading wise, it's a very, very, very simple. So I will go through the different time frames. So I will go up to 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute. And all I do is look for the safety trade. So if I find, for example, the green, 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 red, I will go up to the higher time frame to make sure that the logo, which is another very important factor in my trading, that the logo has actually taken place. For example, has the price started from above or started from below for a buy start? Has it flipped over? Has it created the hook on the red line? If that is done, and again, all the indicators are the same color. For example, if I'm looking for a sell stop, everything should be blazing red for me. I don't want to see no greens. The only green that I want to see is the safety trade on the time frame that I'm looking at to trade. So I will stick with that time frame. Then I will set my orders. Boom. 98% of the time, my trades will go the same way. So I will do the same one on the minute 1, minute 5, minute 15, minute 30, hour, right up to the 4 hour. I won't go any further than that. So I'm a bit impatient like that. So up to hour 4, I will trade. So as soon as I find the logo, I will flip down to the lower time frame, wait for the safety trade to take place, and I'm in. And it's as simple as that.
Yeah, just as you were trained is what you're doing. It is exactly. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, exactly how you trade is exactly how I trade. I spent 5 weeks just doing SPX, as you said. And that, again, I mean, I know you keep drilling that into people's heads 50 times. Watch it. I can't put pressure on it enough. That is really important. That will teach you on how to look at the chart straight away. So trade SPX exactly how coaches showed you in your training video, and after that, everything you will see will just come to you. You'll have this eureka moment where you think, wow, that's it. That's what I'm looking at, and it's a life for me. Me personally, that was a life for me. That's exactly how I trade, exactly how you taught me. I haven't changed anything. I've got the rules laminated, set up on my desk, and that's exactly how I trade.
Amen. Exactly what you should have laminated. Now, Billy, are you in the scanner room at all?
I mean, the indices and the Forex scanner room. That's correct, yeah.
Okay, we're going to upgrade you to all the VIP rooms, so you have all of them in case you want to look at the other ones. And I'm going to give that to you for the entire year, so you and your kids can have fun with looking at them, and
thank
you can
so
see.
Much. I mean, you do so much for us already. You know, thank you so much. Well, you know, this free scanner upgrade that you give us, again, they're life changing as well. You know, I think I'm probably speaking on behalf of all of us. Thank you for the free upgrades. Some of us, we can't even afford to fund our accountants, and for you to just give us these to help us. Because I think that just shows us how genuine you guys and the system are. Nobody out there. I mean, I've gone through courses. I mean, I can't tell you. And I keep adding on stuff, more money, and you're giving away free stuff, free life-changing tools, and that's amazing. Thank you so much again.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, the only thing I'm charging for, and I feel a little bad, but you guys don't know how hard it was that the sniper. That one's just crazy. I had to work my ass off for that one. Matter of fact, I'll tell Bri, but when we get it up and running, I'm going to give you a month for the sniper free also. and then you can at least see it if it
Oh,
helps
wow.
you. But I don't want it to confuse you, and I don't want to change anything for you. If you're doing good, just don't use that one. Now the scanner is fantastic because it's you know how that works. It's doing both time frames like you're doing, and it's giving you the read. So that
Oh, yeah.
one, you just have more access to more symbols, so you can make more money. Is what I was thinking to give you. You know what I mean? So that's why.
Yeah, that's absolutely crazy. I mean, yeah, absolutely. I mean, everything that you're giving us is amazing, but you're absolutely right. If it's not broke, don't fix it. I mean, at
Yes.
the minute, even when I started along with you, and I don't know if you remember.
What was
I don't know
that?
if you remember, but I started off when you just had a default trading system.
Yeah.
And even that on its own, without the scanners, without everything, that was amazing in itself. All you're doing is just making it better and better and better. And it's just crazy how accurate this system is.
Yeah. Yeah. And then Billy, you're all these people. I don't know if you see it. Billy, glad the system has worked for you, especially in this hard time of your life. Couldn't hear everything, but now you can. I moved you closer. Billy's story is really amazing. Wow, Billy, thank you so much for taking the time to share your inspiring story. This might be one of the best call-ins ever, says Patrick. I mean, they're just loving you, Billy. They're just appreciating you coming on here and sharing this. I am too. Bri is. We're just sitting here. It's crazy. I'm just so happy for you. Couldn't be happier for you and your children. I'm a father too. I know your feelings, what you're going through with that. And it's just amazing. I want everyone to listen to this. I'm literally going to name this Billy's story on the YouTube. So, in honor of what you did and what you accomplished, and just keep going. And if you ever get into a little downturn or something, let me know so that we can, I can kick your ass and motivate you through it. No, I'm teasing. How mad I get sometimes and try to, people take my tough love as being mean, but I'm just trying to help you all. That's all. So, is there anything I can help right now?
It's actually your tough love that put me into shape in the first place, to be honest. With all the effing on the blinding, are you stupid, are you crazy? That's what we need. We need someone to kick our asses and say, look, get up, you can do this.
That I agree with, but not everyone agrees with me. By the way, that buy stop is kicking in. But, Billy, what can I help you with here? Anything?
No, you've been absolutely fantastic, sir. I mean, all your emails are away anyway if I ever need anything. I know I'm guaranteed to get a response back, but at the minute, I'm just loving it. I just can't wait. I mean, weekends I absolutely hate because I can't trade. So I'm there Monday morning. I'm ready to fire up. And again, I think I mentioned it in the Discord group. It only takes me about 10 to 15 minutes just to set up a few trades. I set my orders in. I go about my day. And 97% of the time, it's either just missed my entry or I'm making money. And that's all it takes. I've never known anything like it.
I know, right?
And the people who haven't bought the system, who are listening to this, need to buy it ASAP.
Amen. That I agree with you on too, because what you did and how you transform your life, you're trading from a library after hours. No one out there has any excuses. No one out there has any excuses not to make money in the system. If Billy, which he did, can make money from living in his car by going to the library, taking his last five, I'm just shocked. I'm just, wow. It's stunning. It's just amazing, Billy. I don't know what to tell you. It's just so inspiring on every level and humbling to me and Bri on every level. It's just crazy. I just want you to keep going. I want you, well, how long? So you had, so I really, really, by the end of the year, Billy, let's see, how much do you think you can make by the end of the year? I really want you to be on your feet like hugely now. Where do you think you'll be at in the year based on how you've been trading?
So at the minute, I'm sitting on £5,000 to £6,000 in my live account. I'm hoping to target the 50 to 80 grand mark.
There you go.
At the end of the year. And
nice.
That is possible. That is absolutely possible.
Yes.
At the minute, I'm looking after my risk to reward, like my lot sizes, but there's nothing stopping me from increasing my lot. I know the risk is a lot greater, but it works. So why not?
Well, did you hear Phil's story? He started small, $2,500 account. He built it up to $440,000, and he keeps about 50 to 8. Well, he likes 80,000 his trade account. I like mine a little smaller, but he keeps 80 in his trade account, and he just made. And he made 440,000 euros since year to date.
Wow.
Yep. So this just saying that you can do it off of your 500. You can turn that into 2,500, then to 2,500. You can really don't need I swear to God, I know he's keeping that 80, but from my trading experience, I would say 8 to 12,000, and you can trade US 30 comfortably at 0.09s, and you can make a shit ton of money on US 30. I don't know if you're trading that, but on US 30, 0.09s are fantastic. You can make a lot of money, like $500, $1,000 a day, easy, without risking much at all.
Oh yeah, that's
You know?
that's amazing. I mean, if you could do $1,500 or $1,000 a day, wow, that's just amazing.
It is. It really, really, really is. Billy, anything else before I let you go and we get off here? Or does anyone have questions for Billy? Billy, do you have any questions for me? Does anyone have any questions for Billy? Anyone at all? Says, I'm so happy for Billy. Congratulations, Billy. What an amazing story. Keep pushing. Anyone who's watching doesn't have a system yet, pay attention to Billy's story. Just look at how life-changing the system can be. Just follow the rules. I'm so happy for Billy and everyone has a similar situation going on. Cliff asked if it was Billy that was living out his car. I guess he remembered your story, and everyone said, yep, it is. So, yep, it is. I am so happy for Billy. I guess that's it, Billy. Do you have anything for me or for, look at that buy stop kick the fuck in, by the way. It's kicking ass. It just won't quit going up, Billy. But anything else you want to leave with people, thoughts, or anything you want to share, or anything at all?
No, I'm absolutely fine. But again, a quick message to the people who are just pondering about buying the system and don't even think about it. Just look yourself in the mirror and say, you know what, I need this, I deserve more. And honestly, you're not just buying the system, you're buying the coach, you're buying coach with it. And, you know, that is priceless in itself. The coach will support you every single step of the way, as you've done with me. And just good luck with your future.
Wow. Billy, you want to come back on maybe in a couple weeks?
Of course, anytime, anything for you, coach. Just let me know and I'll give you a call back and we'll go through it again. No problem.
Because thank you so much. And what I'd like to do is get you to make some call-outs and see your reading of the charts. And then, you know, we can kind of go over a whole bunch of things with you, okay?
That's fantastic. Yeah, we could go through that. That'd be lovely.
I mean, Billy, I would give you a standing O. I'm going to tell Bri to add you in there because she's listening, so she'll know to do that for the VIP rooms. It's already done, Billy. You've already been upgraded. That's how good Bri is.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get in.
All right, and tell your kids we said hey and hi, and you know, tell them to keep alerting you. That's so funny. That is so awesome what they do. That is amazing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let you run though, Billy. And thank you so very, very much. God bless you, Bri. Anything for Billy?
Thank you, Billy.
No problem, Bri. Thank you.
Thank you, and God bless, and keep kicking ass. Okay.
Thank you very much, Coach. Thank you.
All right. So proud of you, Billy. Talk to you later. All right. All right. Wow. Okay. Everyone should stand up on their feet. I'm standing up on my feet. Everyone should stand up on their feet, and they should all give Billy a fucking huge hug and a huge standing ovation. So I'm actually getting up, and I clap, 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 clap. Billy, living out of his car. Billy calls in, tells us his story. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, bottom of my soul. May God bless you and your family and your children and keep getting you to where you're $50,000, $60,000, $80,000 in that account by the end of the year. Everyone, just thank God for Billy being able to support his children and provide for his children and himself, getting out of his car. There is nothing any one of you listening to this on TikTok or YouTube cannot appreciate Billy's story. You should be motivated out of your ass with Billy's story. Whew. Wow. Billy, living out of his car, took his last $500 and change, bought the system, traded out of a library after hours because a friend opened it up for him.
No one has an excuse.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that takes away all of our excuses, their excuses, anyone's excuses. Wow. I don't know what to say. Wow. That's all I can say. Thank you, Billy. I don't know if you're still around. I don't know if he sticks there. Okay, on that note, there's nothing else for us to do. Does anybody have questions over Billy? Does anyone have questions for me or Bri? If you do, you can ask them. If I haven't answered them, you can just email us the questions like Bri said. That way we can go over it. This is why I say, buy the system, learn it, and change your life. Billy went from living into his car to living into his own place now, to providing for his children, to going out to eat, buying them clothes, having a normal life, having some money saved up now, all because of the safety trade system. Could there be any more powerful testimonial? I don't know if there is. Could there be anything better than that? I don't know if there is. I'm just humbled. It's just crazy how his life has changed around. I'm so happy for him. Thrilled for him. Super excited for him, for what the future is going to bring. Wow. Mike, Dr. Grego liked the live. Mike, Dr. Grego, my brother, the best doctor in the world for reversing type 2 diabetes. He can help anyone do it. If you were here, did you hear the story of Billy? Billy was living out of his car 6 months ago. He bought the system with his last $500, and now he has made tons of money. He has $5,000 saved. He's living in his own place, just making money every day. It's amazing. Can you explain what you mean by fill the gap? Guy Burger, I can't. I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps the whole time he was talking, Georgie. It was crazy. Yeah, Mike, did you hear that, my brother, Dr. Grego? Billy just got done, and I'm going to name this whole segment I just did, the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours with Ben, for Billy. And we're just going to talk about him. I'm going to post that up. That's crazy. Living out of his car 6 months ago, took his last $500, bought the system. 6 months later, he's in his own place living, his own thing. He has taken care of his children, goes out to eat, buys them stuff, goes out, has fun with them. I know from a father's perspective what that means. And now his goal is about $50,000 to $80,000 by the end of the year to have saved up, coming from nothing, trading in the library after hours because a friend let them in to trade. No excuses from any of you. I don't want to hear any whining anymore from any of you. I'm just going to say Billy. And by explaining by filling the gap, Guy Burger, I cannot because there's too many scammers. I will do that on Monday at 2:30 if you ask, at our next advanced training when there's not scammers around. Can't wait to hear you and Billy on Joe Rogan. Oh my God, if I ever got on Joe Rogan's broadcast, we couldn't keep up with what would happen. It would be psychotic. Go ahead and tell Joe Rogan about this, everybody. Go ahead and tag Joe Rogan. Tag it. He's a cool dude. He might actually fucking have us on one day. He's funny as fuck. I love Joe Rogan. I would be in awe if I was on there. I'd probably stand and go, ah, and not be able to say anything. He's fucking incredible. Love him. Yeah, it's a hard act to follow. There's nothing I can follow. I'm done. What is he accomplished? It's way better than anything else. I know. US 30 Blue. I'm not even going to... Roger, I'm sure you're correct. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get off. Everyone's straight thinking about I'm going to go ahead and get off. Me and Bri are done this morning. I don't know why my guy isn't here fixing the internet, though. That is a concern. All right, TikTok, you're the first ones to go. Beautiful morning. Couldn't ask for 2 hours of better trading. Couldn't ask for a better live. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, Billy. Oh, God. Please keep kicking ass. Anything I can do to help you, Billy, please let me know. That goes for anybody. But all right, TikTok, we're out of here.
Bye, TikTok.
Bye, TikTok. Thank you all for being here. YouTube, anything from YouTube before we go? Anything on YouTube? All right, see you guys on YouTube. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Oop. And